Let's say your Siri is not working when you connect your iPhone to your AirPods. What can be the cause of it? This problem is usually just a connection issue or some misconfigured settings on your iPhone. To fix this problem, you can try out my step-by-step solutions. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Solution 1. Make sure Siri is enabled. First, we'll check if Siri is even turned on. On your iPhone, go to Settings, scroll down and tap Siri. After this, tap on Talk to Siri, and make sure this is set to Siri or Hey Siri or simply Hey Siri. If it's turned off, then turn it on and follow the rest of the setup process. You should also enable Press Side button for Siri as an extra measure. Now go back and toggle on Allow Siri when locked. Once these are turned on, test Siri and check your issue. Solution 2. Check AirPods settings for Siri. Now let's make sure your AirPods are set to activate Siri. Go to Settings, tap Bluetooth, find your AirPods and tap the eye icon next to them. Scroll to press and hold AirPod or double tap on AirPod depending on your model. Tap on left AirPod or the right AirPod. Here you will see a Siri option. Make sure one side is set to Siri. With this set, try using Siri again. Either press and hold the AirPod or double tap the selected AirPod to check if Siri shows up. This might just fix the problem. Solution 3. Disconnect and reconnect the AirPods. On your iPhone, go to Settings, tap Bluetooth, then tap the eye icon next to your AirPods. In the bottom, you will find Forget this device option. Just tap on it and confirm your choice. After this, get both your AirPods in the charging case and follow the pairing process to connect your AirPods back. After they're reconnected, your problem should get fixed. But if the problem is persisting, you can try the last solution. Solution 4. Check for iOS updates. Sometimes a software bug is the culprit. To check, open Settings, tap General, then tap Software Update. If you see an update, download and install it. This can fix Siri-related bugs too. And that's it. Now you know how to fix it if Siri is not working on your AirPods. If this video helps you out, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.